Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a newsletter in Mailchimp. First, you'll want to create a free Mailchimp account to get started. Once logged in, look for the Create button and select Email to begin a new campaign. Make sure to choose the regular email option for your standard newsletter. This simple first step sets the foundation for reaching your audience effectively, ensuring a smooth start to your email marketing efforts. Now for the fun part, designing your newsletter. Mailchimp offers many pre-designed templates, or you can start with a blank canvas. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to add elements like text, images, and buttons. Remember to personalize your design with your brand's unique colors, fonts, and logo. A well-designed newsletter can significantly increase engagement, making your message more appealing and memorable to your subscribers. With your design complete, it's time to select your audience. Choose the specific recipient list from your Mailchimp audience that you want to reach. Craft a compelling subject line and engaging preview text. These are crucial for encouraging opens. Finally, you can schedule your email to go out at a specific time or send it immediately. Getting these details right ensures your message lands effectively in your subscribers' inboxes. After sending, the work isn't over. It's essential to analyze your campaign results. Mailchimp provides detailed reports on open rates, click-through rates, and overall subscriber engagement. Use these valuable insights to understand what content performs best and what areas might need improvement. By adjusting your future campaigns based on this data, you can continuously refine your strategy and achieve even greater success with your email marketing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.